Don't know how to adjust or change your saddle? No worries, here's how. For adjusting, first loosen the screw under the saddle on the connector using an Allen key. Don't loosen it completely, just to a point where the saddle can slide forward and backward freely. Then adjust it forward or backward, up or down, to your desire. We recommend to keep the angle parallel to the ground. For changing your saddle, loosen the screw completely under the saddle on the connector using an Allen key while holding the connector. Then take off the saddle with the connector. To install your saddle, set up the connector as shown. Put it onto the end of the seat post. Insert the screw and build the connector as shown. Tighten the screw a little bit to hold the connector in place. Insert your saddle onto the connector. Tighten the screw firmly. Now you have your saddle installed and ready to hit the road.